1 spoon of chia seeds will shock your body in 30 minutes. You take 1 spoon of chia seeds. Nothing fancy, just mix it in water, give it a swirl, and drink. Then, 30 minutes later, something surprising happens inside your body. Your stomach feels fuller, your energy changes, and even your brain starts reacting. All from that tiny spoon. Most people have no idea why this happens, but once you understand it, you'll never skip it again. Chia seeds might look small, but they're one of the most powerful foods nature ever created. They've been used for centuries by the Aztecs, by warriors, by healers, not just as food, but as fuel. And today, modern science finally proves why. Within just 30 minutes, they start changing how your body works from the inside out. But before you grab a bag and start gulping them down, there's one thing you need to know. Most people eat them wrong. Here's the problem. Most people just toss chia seeds into smoothies or yogurt without soaking them. When you do that, they expand inside your stomach, pulling water from your body and slowing digestion. That's why some people feel bloated or tired instead of energized. But when you use them the right way, that same gel-like fiber turns into a natural detox and fat-burning weapon. So, if you've been using chia seeds and seeing no results, this is why. Stick around, because in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly what happens to your body, step by step, after you take just 1 spoon of chia seeds the right way. What happens in 30 minutes? Alright, here's the timeline. Once you drink soaked chia seeds, that's 1 spoon mixed in a glass of water, left for about 15 minutes, something amazing happens. The outer layer forms a gel. That gel slows down how quickly your stomach empties, meaning you stay full for longer. So within 10 minutes, your brain gets a signal. Hey, I'm full. That's why chia seeds are one of the best natural appetite suppressants out there. No pills, no fake fat burners, just real food. Next, the fiber starts doing its thing. 1 spoon gives you almost 5 grams of fiber, and your gut loves that. Your intestines start moving, flushing out waste, and balancing your blood sugar. If you usually feel tired after eating, you'll notice your energy stays steady. No crash, no craving for snacks. By the 30-minute mark, your body's already in detox mode. The soluble fiber starts binding to toxins, your digestion smooths out, and your belly starts feeling flatter. That's not fat loss yet. That's inflammation and water weight reducing naturally. But here's the crazy part. This 1 spoon doesn't just clean your gut. It can actually change your metabolism over time. And that's where most people completely miss the magic. The science behind the shock. Here's what's happening beneath the surface. Chia seeds are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, the same kind found in fish oil, but plant-based. These help reduce inflammation, support brain health, and make your cells more sensitive to insulin. When that happens, your body stops holding on to fat so tightly. Think of it like flipping a switch from store to burn. They're also full of magnesium, zinc, and calcium, which all play a role in balancing hormones. If your stress hormone, cortisol, is high, your belly fat stays. But chia helps calm your system down naturally. That's why people who add it to their morning routine often feel more relaxed and focused, not wired and anxious. Now imagine this. You start taking 1 spoon every morning for a week. You mix it in warm water with a squeeze of lemon. After a few days, you'll notice your digestion becomes smoother, bloating reduces, and you don't crave sugary snacks anymore. You're not forcing your body to diet. You're helping it balance itself. And after a few weeks, your metabolism resets. You start losing fat without starving or doing endless cardio. It's simple, but it works because you're feeding your body what it actually needs to function at its best. Small daily habits change your biology faster than big temporary diets ever will. So let's recap. In just 30 minutes, 1 spoon of chia seeds can control hunger naturally, balance your blood sugar, support gut health, reduce inflammation, boost focus and energy. But the key is how you take it, soaked, not raw. Add a little lemon or honey if you like. That's it. No supplements, No detox teas, just real food doing real work. If you found this helpful, try it tomorrow morning. 1 spoon, 15 minutes soaked, and watch how your body reacts. And if you want more simple, natural ways to burn fat and balance your hormones, hit that subscribe button. Because sometimes the most powerful health changes start with the smallest spoon.